everyone, if you've been wondering how to hide the time on your iPhone lock screen, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to achieve this. So keep on watching to uncover the trick. Start by finding a picture with a solid color in your Photos app. Tap on the share icon for the chosen picture. From the options, select Set as Wallpaper. To customize the color, once in the wallpaper settings, tap on the time display. Slide to the right to access the color customization option. Then, choose a color you prefer for your lock screen. To extract background colors, tap on the Extract Color tool to match the background color. After adjusting the color, tap on Save and then Set. Confirm your choice to set the customized wallpaper. Now, take a look at your lock screen. The time and date are successfully hidden, providing a clean and minimalistic look. And there you have it! A quick and easy way to hide the time on your iPhone lock screen by using a solid color wallpaper. If you found this tip helpful, consider giving the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone related content. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments and thank you for watching. Bye bye!